Okay, so I'm Katie, and this is my son Gus, and we're going to talk about something called path dependency today. And I'm going to try to see if I can explain to Gus what path dependency is using some Legos. So the first thing I want to do is, Gus, could you start building me a tower? And I want it to be like in a square shape. Can you do that? Okay, and then I want it to be like about like maybe like this high, okay? Okay, hold on one second. Actually, I've changed my mind.
Can I at least start with the tower?
Well, but I need this tower done by a certain time, right? Hold on. And I need it to be this high. But now instead of a square shape, I want it to be in more of a round shape.
Wow.
Can you make it into a round shape now?
That's gonna be hard.
Well, what if I had told you I wanted a round tower from the beginning? Could you have done it then?
Because Legos aren't round.
Well, Legos aren't round, but we could definitely make it more of a round shape from the beginning, right? Like we can do, instead of maybe like this.
Maybe. Well, I'm just gonna build it.
Or what if...
the center tower, then I guess
Well, but like, hold on one second. So if we did it maybe like, would this kind of be like a more of a round shape?
Yes.
And especially if we could probably put like a little single in each of these corners. That would make it more round. I don't know if we have any singles over here. But what I'm trying to explain to you is that like once we start the tower in like a square shape, right? It's really hard to like change it halfway through, right? Because the foundation is kind of where you start with. So,
Wait.
Well, hold on one
I
second.
can still do it.
Hold on one second, guys. And so if we were to, that's what like path dependency is. So it's saying that if we start doing something one way, we want to keep going. So what if we found out like, okay, we started with this kind of square shaped tower, but then we realized like halfway through that like round towers actually are better. They hold up longer, right? Mm-hmm. Then it's kind of the same thing that we would either have to, like, what will we have to do if we need to make a full round tower? We could add more, I guess, on the outside here, but what if we needed the tower to still be like kind of this size?
What, to take some off?
Yeah, like we would have to like undo all of the work that you've already done. Okay? Do you ever want to like undo your work like once you've already done it? It's not like, especially if you're working under a deadline, right?
Yeah.
Like that doesn't feel good. Mm-hmm. So that's what path dependency is. It says like if we start doing something one way, then we are going to want to keep doing it that way. Because if we start doing something one way, then we are going to want to keep doing it that way. Because if we start doing something one way, then we are going to want to keep doing it that way. Because if we start doing something one way, then we are going to want to keep doing it that way. Because if we start doing something one way, then we are going to want to keep doing it that way. Because if we start doing something one way, then we are going to want to keep doing it that way. we don't want to have to undo the work that we've already done.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So, you know, but maybe if we know that like round towers are going to be like the better option, then maybe it is that we go ahead and like take it apart anyway. And then we start building a round tower. Okay, so maybe we'll start working on that. Does that sound good?
Yes.